I don't even know how to start. Hello. Welcome to not my kitchen, but a corner of my living room that I have made into my cooking corner because I don't have the most aesthetically pleasing kitchen in the world. So we're gonna cook in here because this looks prettier than my very old countertops and cabinetry. Anyway, today we're going to be making, I don't want to say a healthier version of a Snickers bar because that would imply that a Snickers bar is in fact unhealthy, and that is not the mentality that I subscribe to. Sure, if you eat 8 Snickers bars a day, that is not the healthiest choice, but it's okay to have a Snickers bar every now and again. It doesn't mean you're an unhealthy person. It's fine. It's all about the balance, right? Anyway, soapbox aside, the point of this version of a Snickers bar is that it is more holistic, it's homemade, there's no additives, it's not prepackaged, so it's a lot more, let's say, natural and fresh and happy for your body than eating maybe a prepackaged food would be. So, to make our healthier version of our Snickers bar, you're gonna need just a few ingredients. MEDJOOL dates, very high in sugar, nature's candy, natural sugar of course, delicious. Next, after your dates, you're gonna need some peanut butter of choice, a natural peanut butter preferably, since the natural root is kind of the intention of this treat, but you do you. I've got my smooth peanut butter, crunchy would be great too. Then, we're gonna chop up some salted peanuts. You can use unsalted, but a salty sweet combo is always delicious. And last but not least, you're gonna melt down some chocolate. So if you want something more on the bittersweet side, you can use a more dark chocolate, like a 70 or 80 to 90%. I'm just using a mishmash of chocolate chips that I had in my baking cabinet because I had them on hand. So there's some milk chocolate chips in here, there's some semi-sweet chocolate chips in here, though I do think a nice bitter dark chocolate would really, really go well with this. And then, I don't have it here, but some salt on top I'm gonna add last. Anyway, let's jump into it. All right, so first you're gonna take your dates. I don't have very many left, so we're gonna be making a smaller one today, but that's okay. So, you can use your fingers. I have a knife here that I'm gonna use for the peanuts, so I'm just gonna cut it. And if they have pits, which mine do, take those suckers out. And we're just gonna go through and do that with the rest of them. Good, okay. Now, make sure your hands are clean, of course, before you do this. Once they are sufficiently smushed, you're gonna grab your peanut butter. So you can kind of measure with your heart here. I'm probably gonna be on the more generous side with the peanut butter versus the chocolate, but we'll see how it all ends up. All right, next, peanuts. So I'm gonna chop these up a little bit. You can probably throw them on whole, but I'm gonna give them just a little bit of a rough chop. Okay, there we go. Peanuts chopped, and then we're gonna sprinkle them right on your peanut butter. Next, you need your chocolate. So, I've got my chocolate here. I'm gonna quickly go melt it down on a double boiler on my stove. All right, the best step, the chocolate step. So, you're gonna take your melted chocolate and throw her on top. Oh my God. Lastly, the very last step before we throw her in the fridge, I'm just gonna get my salt. I'm generous with the salt. All right, now this baby's gonna pop in the freezer for, I don't know, maybe an hour? All right, it's been 3 hours? 3 hours? Pardon the outfit change and the sweat. I just did a very sweaty, sprinty workout, and she is frozen. So we're just gonna dive in. Oh my God. Kind of looks like a turtle's to me. Taste test. It's so good. It kind of tastes like turtles to me though. I don't know why everyone's saying Snickers. Do you want to try it? Tell me if that's more turtles or more Snickers.
Turtles.
More turtles, right? You heard it here first. The internet got it wrong. It's turtles bark. Anyway, let me know if you try it.